And for all those who have been missing Beverly White, here's some good news. In this next interview, you can see her try and teach Sridevi some English. A for apple, B for Beverly.
People, when they're coming back after a while, seem to have a sort of sense of nervousness to it, or there's a nervous energy around it. You are so calm that it seems like nothing ruffles you. Does anything about this process, bother you or ruffle you or annoy you at all? Because you just seem like you're in some Zen-like state, actually.
Thanks to Gauri, I say.
Oh, wow, that's like quite something.
Yeah, I'm feeling like I'm at home. Like,
Yeah.
they're really bulky, and of course Gauri, they're very, very affectionate people. So I felt really comfortable working with them.
I can imagine, but I'm sure there are still challenges associated with it. So was there anything that you felt, why am I doing this again? Did you ever feel like that?
No,
okay,
never.
okay.
If I would have really thought that way,
Yeah.
I wouldn't be here today.
Yeah. And I'm sure moments like, moments when you have people actually coming up to you and appreciating your work, with such heartfelt kind of, expression, that also makes it worth it, I'm sure, right? Those 10 minutes or that one comment or whatever.
Yeah, it's like, energy, like, you're drinking energy.
Yeah.
It's really, encouraging, and it's absolutely, I feel this is what we work for,
Absolutely.
to hear good things.
And the thing is, it's very difficult to step away from that kind of thing. It's difficult to step away from that kind of energy that you constantly have coming from fans, from people around you. It's almost like, it's like being on a high. But you managed to do that very sort of gracefully and not, it never seemed that you were actually really missing that life. Is that true?
Well, I really didn't miss it. Maybe because of Boniji being a producer's wife, I was always like around the, travel with him, and I enjoyed being, being the other side of the camera too.
Absolutely.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app, fully optimized for Retina display. Full screen view, faster response time, and Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.